What's up guys, welcome to a new trade recap. Today I'm gonna talk about a Bitcoin trade that I took on my funded account after passing phase 1 and phase 2 in the last videos that I showed you. Now I took a Bitcoin trade on a funded account, so I would say I will go over everything today and let's hop into the charts. So guys, this is the trade I'm talking about, as you can see. And I'm not gonna lie, I tried longing already in this area because we had a clean market structure break on the lower time frame right here, and I tried 3 times and I got stopped 3 times. That's part of trading, guys. You can't win every trade. So after losing those 3 trades, I waited for another opportunity, and right here in this area we had all the opportunities I needed. Yeah, first things first, as you can see, RSI is very low. That means we are in an oversold area. Yeah, price should be in for a bounce if we wait for the right confirmations. It happened here too, but as I mentioned, you can't win every trade. So I'm here on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, and it's pretty obvious that this is a pretty nice support zone. So there's not much knowledge needed to say that we could bounce here if we get the right confirmations. Then I went to the 1 hour, as you can see, lots of chopping around. So I'm just gonna go on the M15 where I took the trigger for this trade, and here you can clearly see things better. As you can see, we had this pretty aggressive leg to the downside from here to here, and then I just waited for another sweep of this low. As you can see, hard leg to the downside. Lots of people are FOMOing into longs right here, but this low will get probably taken out most of the time. And as you can see, it happened right here. And then I just had a look, where was the last high? We had this leg to the upside and this leg to the downside. So this was the high to break to turn bullish again. And as you can see, it happened right away. We'll go into replay mode. I waited for the break of structure and it happened right here. Then I set my limit order right here, and it's just basically on a fib retracement. I don't want to FOMO into longs if we already pumped. So yeah, just at around the 50% area. Entry doesn't matter that much, guys. Most important is your execution, that your RR is nice. So for me, it's always a high RR. I already lost 3 trades before that, so I needed a higher RR. And yeah, I set the limit order right here, waited for the retracement, retraced into it, and that was basically the triggers for this trade. We were in a higher time frame support zone. M15 was a clean break in structure. We already went above the 100 EMA, so also some confluence for a bullish trend reversal. And then all you have to do is be patient and wait for your trade to hit your target. The target was based on higher time frame. As you can see, hour 4, we have this high right here. This equals highs right above here. On the 1 hour you can see it a little bit better. Here you can see those equal highs. Those were my ultimate target for this trade. Then let's observe it on the 1 hour. As you can see, I told you my triggers on the lower time frame. Also, another confluence was this RSI divergence right here. As you can see, RSI indicator made a higher low while price made a lower high, and that is called bullish divergence on the RSI, guys. You don't purely trade based on those divergences, but they can be nice confluence and you can implement them into your system if you need extra confluences and extra triggers, because they are also always objective. They are either present or not, which is always nice for our QPA strategy. So then after that, I had everything done that I needed, and now all we need left is patience and waiting for our trade to hit TP. And as you can see, we pumped pretty aggressive to the upside, as you see here. At that point, I set the trade break even, of course, and we just let it run. And as you can see, in 4 days, we hit the ultimate take profit target, and I targeted around 7 to 8 R, which made me the $12,000 on my funded account. As I mentioned, I already lost 3 trades before, so I was in a nice profit for a payout. Not all the $12,000, of course, because I lost the 3 trades before, but I had a nice, I think, 3 to 4% payout, which I can request soon. And that's basically the trade for today, guys. It's the same as always, guys. You collect data on your system, you have your triggers, as I mentioned, all those triggers. You build a trading system around those objective triggers. You collect data on them. You will know if it works long term. Don't only look at short term. Don't look at individual trades, because we will lose a lot of trades. Always look on the long term. And that's what we teach, guys, in Tribe Capital. And if you want to join Tribe Capital, the links are down below. I took this trade on Bright Funded, guys, the prop firm I work with. Also, if you want to have a nice prop firm to trade, links are down below. They're reliable. I have over 100k in payouts with them. That's why I work with them. So guys, thanks for watching this trade recap. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.